be doing the best for your friends who have been left, no? But those who are going to make it, and I hope we hit 100% this year. I hope, okay? What we would like to do sana is kapag nakapagtapos na ho kayo, sana bawat isa sa inyo ay mamili rin ng kukuha next year at mag-mentor kayo, tulungan ninyo. Kasi kapag gumanda ang record ng UDM, it can only help you also as alumni of UDM. No? On our part as in the presidency naman, we're doing everything we can to help Dean Padilla and Vice Dean Bautista. And the members of the faculty, whom, well, we have to thank them also. Attorney, yeah, is here tonight. Salamat naman kayo sa laki ng your Dean, your Vice Dean. I see Judge Alisuag every time and everywhere. So yun, so let's be thankful. It's we just had Thanksgiving, no? Although that's not really part of our culture. Tayo mga Pilipino ay nagpapasalamat naman talaga tayo. Lagi, it's not in our culture to just take things for granted. And with more than double measure should that apply to us at UDM and other public institutions, because those who are helping you are really doing it for less or half or even zero compared to what they're doing in the private sector. So this is a labor of love for everybody, which is why when the rewards are good, it is more fulfilling for everybody. Okay? So enjoy your beer. I will have a drink with each and every one of you. And I hope I don't see you anymore the next time we have this celebration next year. Thank you.
Thank you po, President. Okay, yung secretary.